We are making crispy golden hash browns. It's quick and easy to make with just a couple basic ingredients. It's incredibly delicious, crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the middle, and the aroma is absolutely mouth-watering. Today, I will show you how easy it is to make hash brown in your own kitchen. Hey everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe now. For this delicious recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 2 large potatoes or 4 small ones. The total weight is about 18 ounces. To get the best result in making hash brown, it's important to use the right potato, which is Maurice Piper potatoes, as shown here. Half large onion or 1 medium-sized onion. You will also grate it. Now that the potatoes and onions have been grated, we are going to squeeze to remove the water content as much as possible. I don't know if you can see in the video. Let me move to this corner. Removing all the juice or water content from the potatoes and onion to ensure that the hash brown will come out golden, crispy golden brown. Because how much water came out. Okay, I will show you the next step. Now that all the water content has been completely removed from the potatoes and onion, we are mixing this up to make sure that they are evenly mixed. Set it aside. We are going to beat 1 egg. Then we are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the mix of potatoes and onions, some crushed pepper, then pour the eggs and mix it up. The best is to use hand to mix this. And we are going to divide this into 4 portions. It looks about right. And then each one of them, we are going to make into a flattened piece. Just like a beef patty. Let me show you what it looks like. Like this. Just like that. And we are ready. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm using grass-fed butter. Reduce the heat to low. Add this potato. Cook each side for about 6 to 7 minutes until golden brown. We are going to flip the other side. Look at that. This is ready. We can turn off the heat. There you have it, crispy golden hash brown. It's incredibly delicious, crispy on the outside, soft on the middle. I hope this video made cooking a little easier for you. If it did, please pass it along to someone else who might love it. Subscribe to join me for more recipes. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.